Hi! Nilagnat si Macy kahapon so hindi siya nakapag-recite at today absent siya. So tomorrow babalik na siya sa school at meron siyang special na recitation. So magre-review lang kami for tomorrow's activity para sa mga na behind niya. Gagawin namin ulit yung ako yung mag-i-English at saka yung recitation or introduce yourself. Ako sa English, ikaw sa Nihongo. Good morning.
Ohayou gozaimasu.
Good afternoon.
Konnichiwa.
Good evening.
Konbanwa.
Goodbye.
Sayonara.
Bye.
Janet.
Thank you.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
I'm sorry.
Gomenasai.
Expression before eating.
Itadakimasu.
Expression after eating.
Gochi susama dashita.
Now introduce yourself.
Minasan, ohayou gozaimasu. My name is Macy Hailey Exclamado Tamura. I am 6 years old. My birthday is November 2, 2018. I live in Lanang, Davao City. My favorite colors are rainbow and pink. My favorite sports are riding a bike and badminton. My favorite subjects are Nyongo and math. I like to eat chicken and rice. I love playing with Rainy. My talents are singing, dancing, gymnastic, and vlogging. I want to become a soldier. Domo arigatou gozaimasu.
Wow! Perfect lang! Okay, now proceed naman kami dito. Meron kasing tumawag so naputol. Bale, ito another additional activity nila for tomorrow. 12 classroom expressions. Kung hindi pa siya marunong, magsastudy pa kami ng ako sa English siya sa Nihongo. Konti pa lang yung alam niya, may 3 siyang hindi alam. So gusto ko perfect siya. Pero alam niya kung ano yung actions. Yung gagawin natin ngayon, ako yung mag-Nihongo, siya yung mag-actions. Then later, mamayang gabi, ang pag-aaralan namin, ako ang English, siya na naman ang Nihongo. Action mo na lang ga ha. Tate kodasai. Please stand. Suwate kodasai. Please sit down. Agite kodasai. Please raise your hand. Hi.
Yes?
Imasen.
Not around.
Not around or absent. Shizuka ne. Action. Very good. Please be quiet. Mite kodasai. Please. Mite kodasai. Sorry, God. I stand corrected. Okay, please look or watch. Kiete kodasai.
What?
Kiete kodasai. Please listen. Very good. Ete kodasai. Please say it or please speak. Yonde kodasai.
Study.
Oh, study or read. Kaite kodasai. Please write. Yatte kodasai.
You can do it.
Can do it or please do it. Basta may word na kodasai, it means please, ha? Very good. Try namin yung ako ang English, siya yung Nihongo. Kasi gusto ko sana perfect siya, pero later na lang. Sige, go. Langga, start. Please stand.
Tate kudasai.
Please sit down.
Wate kudasai.
Please raise your hand.
Teyo ate kudasai.
Ha?
Teyo arigatou kudasai.
Very good. Yes.
Hi,
Not around or absent.
imasen.
Quietly.
Suzuka na shite kudasai.
Please look.
Mite kudasai.
Please listen.
Ite kudasai.
Please say it.
What is that again?
It.
Ite kudasai.
Please read.
Read
Yon.
books. Yonde kudasai.
Please write.
Kaite kudasai.
Please do it.
Yate kudasai.
Yun yung tatlong mali niya. Yung ete ko na sa yonde at kaite. Anyway, we will study later hanggang sa ma-perfect mo, okay?